Ever found yourself subscribing to something, thinking it's the perfect solution, only to realize later it's just not? Maybe it's a service you don't use anymore, or perhaps your financial situation has shifted. Whatever the reason, you are now stuck wondering, how do I cancel this thing? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, specifically focusing on Rocketpay. You've heard of it, maybe you've even used it, but now, you need to know how to part ways. Let's be real. Navigating cancellations can feel like trying to solve a complex puzzle. Hidden menus, confusing terms, and the fear of accidentally messing something up can make the whole process incredibly stressful. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in this exact situation. And that's why we're here. First, let's establish some context. Rocketpay, depending on the region and specific use case, can refer to a few different financial tools. It is very important to differentiate between them. There is a payment system used by some businesses, and also there is the Rocket Money application, which has had previous names. So, we will touch on the general concepts of canceling online financial services, and also touch on the specific items that were found in my information search. Generally, Rocketpay services are designed to streamline financial transactions, whether it's for paying bills, managing subscriptions, or facilitating business payments. The core idea is convenience. But sometimes, that convenience turns into an unwanted commitment. Why might you want to cancel Rocketpay? There are numerous reasons. Financial constraints, budget changes can force us to reevaluate our expenses. A service you once found valuable might now be a luxury you can't afford. Redundancy, perhaps you found a better alternative that suits your needs more effectively. Or maybe you're no longer using the service as intended. Security concerns, in the digital age, security is paramount. If you have any doubts about the security of a financial service, it's prudent to cancel it. Unsatisfactory service, sometimes, a service simply doesn't live up to expectations. Whether it's poor customer support or technical glitches, you have the right to cancel. Changes in business needs, if you are a business owner using Rocketpay, your business needs may have changed. Now, let's get down to the practical steps. How do you actually cancel Rocketpay? General steps for canceling online financial services. Before we dive into any specific instructions, here are some general tips that apply to most online financial services. Log into your account. The first step is to access your Rocketpay account through the website or mobile app. Find Account Settings or Profile. Look for a section labeled Account Settings, Profile, or something similar. This is where you'll typically find options for managing your subscription or account. Locate subscription or cancellation options. Within the account settings, search for options related to subscriptions, memberships, or cancellations. Follow the on-screen instructions. The cancellation process will vary depending on the platform. Carefully read and follow the instructions provided. Confirm cancellation. Make sure you receive a confirmation email or notification after completing the cancellation process. This will serve as proof of your cancellation. Check your bank statements. After canceling, monitor your bank statements to ensure that no further charges are incurred. Specific information. Based on my information search, here are some specific points to consider. Rocketpay via Lantum. If you are utilizing Rocketpay through the Lantum platform, canceling is done through your account settings. Specifically by editing your Rocketpay preferences within the My Account area. Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you manage subscriptions and budgets. Canceling a Rocket Money subscription involves accessing your account settings through the website or mobile app. It's crucial to differentiate between canceling a subscription within Rocket Money and deleting your entire Rocket Money account. Before deleting your account, ensure you've canceled any active subscriptions, such as a premium membership. To cancel a Rocket Money premium membership, you will need to go into your settings inside of the app and adjust your membership level. To delete your entire account, you will also access the settings menu and find the profile section where the option to delete the account will be located. General online subscription advice. Always take screenshots of any cancellation confirmation pages. If you have trouble canceling online, find the company's customer service contact information and contact them directly. Keep records of all communication, potential challenges, and how to overcome them. Hidden cancellation options. Some companies make it difficult to find the cancellation options. If you're struggling, try searching the company's Help Center or FAQ section. Customer support delays. You might encounter delays when contacting customer support. Be patient and persistent. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, try contacting them through a different channel, such as social media. Unexpected charges. Even after canceling, you might see unexpected charges on your bank statement. Contact the company immediately to dispute the charges. Terms and conditions. Always read the terms and conditions before subscribing to any service. This will help you understand the cancellation policy and avoid any surprises. Protecting yourself. Regularly review your subscriptions. Make it a habit to review your subscriptions and expenses regularly. This will help you identify any unnecessary services. Use strong passwords. Protect your online accounts with strong, unique passwords. Be cautious of phishing scams. Be wary of emails or messages that ask for your account information. Canceling a service shouldn't be a daunting task. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can confidently cancel Rocketpay and regain control of your finances. Remember to stay organized, be persistent, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.